And I want to talk to you today about understanding. Everybody says that understanding is the problem. People just don't understand. And that there's this problem that we have that people just don't get it. Well, I'm here to tell you that's wrong. It took me 20 years to figure out that understanding is not the problem. There are no stupid people out there. There really aren't. The question, though, is whether that understanding is enough. And I'm telling you here, understanding something means nothing. Yeah, you're surprised. But remember, last time you went to see Tony Robbins or a motivational speaker or a factual professional speaker in your branch of business, and you took furious notes all day long. You left there 2 feet off the ground, bouncing along as you left. And you knew in your soul that you had understood the material, you understood the wisdom of it. And then 3 weeks later, you open your trunk of your car, and there are all the notes you took. Or they're nicely sleeping in some desk somewhere. So what happened from that understanding, that feeling of excitement, that feeling I'm going to get into action? What happened to it? Nothing happened to it. You didn't do anything because understanding isn't the problem. I understand I need to lose a few pounds. Luckily, you can't see that. Understanding isn't my problem. Creating a business plan isn't my problem. I can write it down isn't my problem. There's 4 steps necessary for understanding to actually mean I'll do it. Number 1, yeah, I got to understand it. I got to get an aha. Somebody has to put it in my mind. But it means nothing in terms of me doing something. But then I got an emotional buy-in. Oh, if I just did this for me and my family, wouldn't I be so much better off? And you know what? It means nothing either. We have real estate action group courses on a regular basis. And I tell people, I teach them. I then spend the whole year with them. They can email me. They can do all these wonderful things. And I tell them those 2 first things really mean not very much. I mean, it's a start. It's better than doing nothing. But understanding is not the problem. Remember, success by its very nature is unnatural, achieved by the minority of people. And what they do is they do something. All growth, human growth, is experiential. You got to take some steps. You got to do something, make some mistakes, bounce back. You have a feedback system. And then when you take more and more steps, you become more comfortable. And then you create a new habit. And then understanding actually has meant something. It has meant that you have moved it into action. We call our real estate group the real estate action group. Not just real estate group, not just getting together. Everybody knows it's good to buy real estate, but don't do anything. We have the professional seminar attendees sitting in the front rows, and they don't do anything. You've got to understand that you can do something. And it's not enough to listen to a tape, read a book, and then say, okay, I'm going to change my life. It's not going to work that way. You have to do something more. You have to get into that successful people that is unnatural, that's doing stuff that the other 90% are doing. You know what they don't do? They don't have a big dream. They don't write it down in a goal setting. They don't create an action plan and have nobody there to monitor them because we forgive ourselves so easily. So next time somebody tells you understanding is my problem, I just don't get it. Okay, let me teach you, but let me tell you right up front that just understanding it isn't enough. Everything in life is action. Anything worthwhile, anything you ever wanted, and you now have, comes from the actions you took or didn't take. And by the way, to not do something is having decided as well. Till next time, have a great day.